Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on random tables. This is lesson 22. Each slide will last for 4 seconds and there are 48 questions. This video gives you another opportunity to practice your times tables. Being able to recite your tables quickly and efficiently helps you in many areas of mathematics. You may choose to do these orally or write your answers down using a pen and paper. Either way, the last slide contains all the answers so that you can check how you went. I will leave the last slide on for about 15 seconds, but you can pause the last slide if you like. Good luck with it, and here we go. 7 times 6. 6 times 11. 5 times 8. 8 times 12. 5 times 6. 7 times 12. 11 times 8. 3 times 6. 10 times 11. 2 times 12. 6 times 10. 4 times 11. 8 times 8. 12 times 11. 6 times 12. 9 times 10. 3 times 11. 5 times 3. 7 times 9. 6 times 6. 8 times 9. 4 times 5. 5 times 9. 8 times 4. 11 times 5. 4 times 10. 12 times 3. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. 9 times 3. 10 times 6. 6 times 11. 9 times 7. 3 times 5. 7 times 3. 5 times 10. 4 times 2. 5 times 12. 9 times 5. 10 times 9. 11 times 7. 9 times 9. 12 times 12. 5 times 5. 8 times 7. 12 times 5. 3 times 3. And 4 times 12. So here are the answers. I'll just leave this video on for 15 seconds. That is this slide. You can pause it. Obviously you'll need a little bit longer to check your answers. I hope you went really well, and keep an eye out for the next slide or the next video on times tables.